Roles and permissions provide different levels of access to system users based on their job duties. Examples of roles include System Administrator, Operation Manager, and Supervisor, etc. Roles allow you to easily define permissions for an entire group of users. Creating customized roles involves several processes. Creating a new role. Managing permissions for the role to limit what users can access. Optionally customizing the navigation menu for the role to further limit what users can see. Adding users to the role. To create a role, navigate to App and click Manage Roles. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, New Role. Click this and enter all or mandatory information. First, enter the role name and a short role description. Now click and set the permission on the modules. When done, simply click the Save button. Coming back to the list page, you will see your recently added role. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.